How to increase or decrease media volume while you're in a call. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily manipulate your media volume while you are in a call. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is call someone on my messenger app. Once you start a call, as you can see, once you start a call, you can adjust the media volume from here. So all you have to do is tap on these three lines right here. It will pop out your volume menu where you can easily control your media volume. So if you are sharing your screen or showing any media on your phone while you're in a call, then you can control your media volume from here. And if you've added any kind of widgets on your phone, when your media is playing, it will show up right here. So all you will have to do is adjust the media from your normal volume slider and you should be good to go. So that's how you can easily manipulate your volume while you are in a call. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next video.